Geography and your Arkansas Climate Summary is at 9 a.m. February 15th, 2025. There may be in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison. WNG 608 serves the people.
There we go.
This is the National Weather Service in Tulsa. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially bill receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and a receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between the hours of 10 a.m. and 12 noon local time. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability is normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Oklahoma: Adair, Atoka, Bryan, Craig, Cherokee, Choctaw, Creek, Cole, Delaware, Haskell, Hughes, Latimer, LaFleur,